Welcome to the channel. I hope you find ideas to inspire you in this home tour of Carrie's house. My name is Jossie and below I will leave you some secrets to decorate in the shabby chic style. Color palette. Choose a soft and light color scheme for all the rooms, focusing on pastel hues such as blush pink, mint green, baby blue, or lavender. These colors will create a calm and soothing atmosphere. In the living room. Furniture and textures. Add comfortable seating like overstuffed chairs, slip-covered sofas, or upholstered chairs with floral prints. Integrate soft and flowing fabrics into the rooms. Use lace, linen, and cotton materials for curtains and tablecloths. Add throw pillows in floral or ruffled designs to enhance the shabby chic style. Accessories. Decorate with vintage or antique accessories to add character. Place vintage picture frames, antique vases, or old-style teapots on shelves or tables. Look for ornate mirrors with distressed finishes to hang on walls. Rugs and carpets. Lay down vintage-style area rugs in pastel hues to add warmth and texture. Look for distressed or faded designs that complement the overall shabby chic theme. In the dining room. Walls. Paint the walls in pale pastel shades. You can also use wallpaper with faded floral patterns or shabby chic motifs. Consider adding a shiplap accent wall or installing wainscoting for an extra touch of texture. Dining room chairs with lining covers. Creating texture is essential in this style. It adds elegance at a low cost. Even if you use light colors, it is easy to wash. In the shabby chic kitchen. Display your ceramic collection by creating a focal point in the kitchen, such as on a kitchen counter or open shelving. Arrange the pieces in an aesthetically pleasing manner and ensure they are visible to make a statement. Use ceramic pieces as functional items in the kitchen. For example, you can display a collection of vintage teacups and saucers on a cake stand and use them for tea parties or afternoon tea. This adds both decoration and a practical use for your ceramics. Mix and match your ceramic collection with other shabby chic elements. For instance, use ceramic planters for herbs or flowers, or place decorative ceramic pitchers or vases full of fresh or dried flowers on the kitchen table or windowsill. Don't be afraid to experiment and play with different arrangements and combinations. The shabby chic style allows for a mix of different patterns, textures, and colors, so have fun curating your ceramic collection to create a unique and charming kitchen space. In the bedroom, the key to achieving a shabby chic style in pastel colors is to combine vintage, distressed, and soft elements to create a cozy and romantic atmosphere in the bedroom. Romantic bedspreads and duvets with flower prints fit well in any bedroom with a bronze bed, and it is easy to achieve a cozy and comfortable atmosphere just by using cushions and large pillows. Decorative accents: place vintage books, pastel-colored glassware, and delicate porcelain figurines on shelves or side tables. Hang whimsical artwork, botanical prints, or floral paintings on the walls. Add a distressed wooden clock or vintage-inspired signs for a nostalgic touch.